this one now.
I don't blame you. It's very obvious that Ebuka can never marry an uncoordinated, senseless person like you. Yes, I'll marry you. I'll marry you, Putin!
You should be serious with my business. This is money, this is business I'm talking about.
Things need to be done in a bigger way in order to impress our kinsmen.
Christ. Mom, so I'm now an instrument of impression to your own.
You want engagement ring, ba? No, you want engagement ring. Maybe Junior. May I go down for Junior and be jiggy?
Since you started dating my brother, Ebuka, can you tell me what value have you added to his life? This is the second time I'm asking you this question. I know what you can do. You better talk to that Ebuka. Tell him that I don't want to see that mad girl inside these premises tomorrow morning.
Jesus! Hey! Whoa! What's wrong with you now? Oh, look at that! Stop!
Don't fight, please. This is your wedding we're talking about.
Auntie Gift, you should have allowed me to beat that girl.